There is a battle for your mind. That's why nowadays they want youngsters to get in coding classes, because even the world knows our inputs, or your inputs affect your outputs. So they make these computers and these robots, these different gadgets, and if it doesn't produce, it doesn't work how they want it to, then they go back to the drawing board and they continue to work on it behind the scenes. But that's the same thing we need to do. We need to slow down enough to work on our mind behind the scenes, gaining wisdom, gaining understanding, gaining knowledge. Romans 12:2 says, do not conform to the pattern of this world, but be transformed by the renewing daily, by the renewing of your mind every single day, because you're combating the culture who does not take a day off. They'll tell you how to look, think, feel, and act, and even the culture is always changing, but the word of God remains the same. Proverbs 23:7 says, as a man thinks in his heart, so is he. Have you ever slowed down enough to ask yourself, what do I really think about myself in my own heart? Have you ever wrestled with God and let him perform some spiritual heart surgery on you, so your thoughts about yourself can be in alignment with who he says you are? Because at the end of the day, the dog that we feed will win. Our flesh, our spirit. We must be transformed by the renewing of our mind. That will in effect change how we think about ourselves. It will change how we live, and will produce much fruit.